How are we doing today? My name is Ray. I'm one of the BMW geniuses over here at BMW, and today we're going to share with you how to program your phone to the new iDrive system. So today I'm going to give you folks a little tutorial how to connect your Bluetooth devices to the car. Go over here to Communication, Mobile Devices, Add New Device. You're going to hit Phone Calls and Audio. Now at this point you want to make sure that you're in your settings in Bluetooth and that your phone is visible. Now this BMW already picked up the phone that we have here. We're going to give it a click. It's then going to prompt the phone. It's going to ask you for the passkey to match up to it. Same passkey up there. We're going to hit pair. And now it's just authenticating it on the BMW's end. And then from there you'll be able to download all your contacts, stream your music, and make phone calls all from the car. You're going to hit yes on this. Would like to access your messages if you wanted your messages to pop up. We're all set. So now when we go into communication, all of our contacts will be listed all through here. And then if you wanted to listen to any media from your phone, you're going to go over here to media. You're going to scroll down until you see your phone right there. Click that and it's going to play the music you were listening to last. If you ever needed to delete your device or repair it, you're going to go to Communications, Mobile Devices. You're going to select your phone. You're going to go to Delete Device, and you want to make sure you do the same thing on your phone, is that you delete the BMW from your phone, and then from there you can start the repairing process or repair your new phone.